Hi everyone, it's Helen here. Today I will be making a quick, easy and healthy dish that everybody loves. It's the chicken lettuce wrap. It's a great refreshing appetizer that you can see on many Asian restaurant menus. They are flavorful and satisfying yet light enough to be a perfect start to any party. It could also be a great choice for a budget-friendly, healthy weeknight meal. The best part is so low in carbs that you can eat a lot without feeling so guilty. Let's start!
Helen's recipes.
As the preparation of this recipe requires quite a lot of chopping and cutting, in this video I'm partnering up with a leading Japanese chef knife brand called Kamikoto to give you a quick basic knife skill lesson too. Hope you will find it helpful. I believe every kitchen needs 4 basic knives: a chef knife, a slicing knife, a vegetable knife, and a paring or utility knife. For this recipe, you will need to finely chop half a jicama. So using a paring or utility knife, I will peel out the skin. This knife is more light and easy to handle. It's like an extension of your hands. Then use a vegetable knife to cut into slices and then stack the slices to cut into strips. And finally, roughly chop them up. A vegetable knife has a blunt tip for safety and it's about the same length of a chef knife, but it's a broader blade. It's great to chop and slice vegetables like spring onion or chili peppers, smashed and minced garlic, and julienne or minced ginger too. You will need all these vegetables for this recipe, by the way. The main protein for this recipe is minced chicken. I bought some chicken breast and minced it myself today. You need to slice it first, and that's where a slicing knife comes in handy. While a chef knife is about 7 inches long, a slicing knife is normally even longer, about 8 to 10 inches, which helps you slice or carve a large piece of meat in just one movement. And then you can use a cleaver to mince it. Because the chicken breast is so soft, a vegetable knife can also get the job done. If I am only allowed to have one knife in the kitchen, it should be, of course, a chef knife. A chef knife is normally about 7 inches long and it has a slightly curved blade, which makes it ideal for rocking back and forth across the cutting board. I use a Santoku chef knife to julienne carrot today. After peeling, just cut into about 3 inch or 7 centimeter length and then trim one side and turn it to lie flat and slice it down the length and then stack the slices and cut again lengthways into matchsticks. For this recipe, you also need some diced onion, and here's the best way to do it. Cut the onion in half, slicing downward through the root, and then peel the skin. Cut the top, but keep the root intact so the onion layers won't fall apart. And this is also a great tip to save tears while cutting onion. Lay the onion half flat on your cutting board and cut about 5 to 6 vertical slices, leaving the root still intact. Slide downward across these cut to dice. Remember, always slide your fingers back and curve them together to make a claw with your hands so you don't accidentally cut on them. Now that we've had all our chopping and cutting done, let's move on to the cooking. To make the sauce, in a small bowl, combine a tablespoon each of sugar, fish sauce, soy sauce, oyster sauce, hoisin sauce, and olive oil. You can use sesame oil if preferred. Stir well to dissolve, and then heat some oil in a pan and saute the diced onion for a minute until translucent. And then toss in the minced chicken, minced garlic and ginger. And use a spatula to break up the chunks and stir constantly for about 3 to 5 minutes until the chicken is no longer pink. Then add half of the sauce and the chopped jicama. The jicama adds a really nice crunchy texture to the fillings of the lettuce wrap. You can also use canned water chestnuts instead. Finally, add the chopped green onions and turn off the heat. Sprinkle some ground pepper on top. Detach the lettuce leaves and rinse well and then drain and place them on a large plate or a fancy cutting board like this one. Scoop a tablespoon of the filling on top and then garnish with some julienne carrots. Crush roasted peanuts to add a diverse of texture, and I would also love to sprinkle a touch of chili flakes and a slice of chili pepper for that extra kick. To serve, you squeeze a few drops of lemon juice over the top and wrap it up and pop it to your mouth. It's crunchy, it's savory, fresh, healthy, and so satisfying. The lime adds a really nice fresh citrus taste to the wrap. I can really eat this all day. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe and the quick basic knife skill lesson. By the way, Kamikoto is having some great promotion on their site at the moment, so hop over to get yourself some of the best knives handcrafted with Japanese Honshu steel blades. They offer free international shipping, and the best part is you can get yourself a $50 discount by entering the discount code Helen upon checking out. How cool is that? I hope you will enjoy the knives as much as I do. And meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and follow me on Instagram or Facebook for daily updates of my food journeys. I will see you then in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye!